Hello guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing this packaging right here. I will right away explain what is in the packaging. So yep, it is a stylus for the iPad, and I've also got it for a third-party stylus experience for the laptop that we unboxed recently, so the Yoga 7i. And if you want to check that out, it's going to be in the channel, or I'll just simply link it down in this video. Let's just fast forward to the unboxing. It's a pretty simple packaging. It says it's a high accuracy stylus pen. Of course, it doesn't have anything else written around it. It's a really simple unboxing. It says made in China. Of course, it's from Amazon, guys. So let's just go ahead and pop this out and get the pen out. Alright, there we go. It says high precision pen, and something that I would have liked the company to do is the fact that they can include the lightning port. So this thing charges from a lightning port, so something that they could have done is the fact that, oh wow, I was about to complain that they didn't include charging cable, and they did. So yep, everything that's included in the box is this user manual, the charger, so it's a pretty small one, not a lengthy one, and you also have some instruction. So yep, and it's also presented in Chinese. That's good. So this pen feels pretty good to hold. There's no cap for the lightning port. That's pretty, in my opinion, it's not good, since dust can go and store in there. There's also an LED indicator in there, if you can see that clearly. And I don't think that they have included extra points like the tip, but yeah, I will definitely do a full review of this pen, and I also linked it down in the description if you want to purchase it for yourself. It was pretty cheap. It costed me $35, so it's on Amazon. And yep, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.